Hello. So I felt like I could explain one more time, just to show you finalized because I got cut off. And I know you'd like to hear more from me. Just kidding. But I filled out the slide a little bit wrong. So here's classic. Here's the appetizer example. Put the ingredients here. Put how much of it. Do your divide by how many people it says it serves. And then multiply by 16 because that's how many people are coming. So here, let me show you it better. I made my appetizer first slide look a little prettier. Of course, there's some pink. You're welcome. I know you've been missing all the pink. And here's where I messed up. I was supposed to put the ingredients here. So here's tomatoes. Here's red pepper. I think I need some red onion. Could have had that filled in. Balsamic vinegar, olive oil, basil. Olive oil, basil, and garlic. So what I wanted to show you was, because it feeds 10, it's 2 tomatoes, it's half cup of red pepper, it's a 4th cup of all 3 of these things. So I put what the recipe itself calls for. It's 10 leaves of basil, and it's 2 cloves of garlic. So that's how I was actually supposed to fill this out. You're welcome. Do the conversion, which means like divide by how many it serves. Because my recipe was 10, you're going to have to check your recipe. I'm going to divide these all by 10. I did the math on the 1/4. Divide by 10 means the same thing as times 1/10. So I got 1/40. And that's what goes here. 1/40 cup. I know that looks weird, but that's okay. It's the proper math. It's 1/40 cup. 10 leaves, divide by 10, that's easy. That's 1 leaf. Leaf with an F. You're welcome for some language arts in there. 2 cloves of garlic, divide by 10. Already did that. The same as the tomato, so it's 1/5 of a clove. So again, then I know this answer. It's 3 1/5 cloves of garlic. 1 leaf per person, but I'm feeding 16 people. What's 1 times 16? So I need 16 leaves, basil leaves. And then the 1/40, I'll show you my math one more time, times 16. I got 16/40. It simplifies to 2/5. So then I end up saying for all of these, I need 2/5 of a cup of the onion. 2/5 cup, you get it, 2/5 cup. So bottom line, what you need to do is take your recipe, put the ingredients, check what it says, how many people it serves. Yours might not be 10, whatever number that is, divide all these things by that number, and then multiply by 16 for the appetizer. By the way, you also have to, you do that again for the main course. Find out how many people it serves. But here you have 21 people coming to dinner, and it says that on the first slides. And then when you get to your dessert, you're feeding 27 people dessert because people keep showing up to your party, obviously, because your party is awesome if it's as good as mine. You're welcome. So miss you guys. Hope you're doing well. Give this a try. It's really just dividing by the number of servings, and then multiply that by how many people you're going to serve. If dividing by 10 doesn't seem easy because it's fractions, I multiplied by the reciprocal. Just flip it. Yes? Hope that helped a little bit. Make your slides look nice for your appetizer, a main course, and a dessert. Maybe my theme for this party could have been like, I'm having an Italian feast. So maybe there's a bruschetta. I might have like a pasta dish for my main course. And then I might end it with some tiramisu or something for dessert. Go crazy. Can't wait to see how cool these are. And hope you're having a nice week. Peace out.